To some other news of the day, convicted drunk drivers in Kentucky will now have to pay child support to their victims.
WDRB's Dakota Sherrick tells us about the woman who inspired this new law in the Commonwealth.
Melanie Hull's parents believe Melanie's law creates a true legacy for their daughter, something that can help other families who suffer a similar tragedy.
She was wonderful, the absolute best mother you could ever imagine.
In July 2022, that all changed when a driver under the influence crashed into Melanie as she was taking her son Nolan to school.
She's totally disabled, unable to speak for the most part, other than yeah or maybe no once in a while. Can't do anything for herself, probably in a nursing home for the rest of her life.
Months later, Melanie's 8-year-old son and her mother Diana Yates stood at the governor's side as he prepared to sign Melanie's law.
We're here to keep her legacy moving forward and helping other people not to have to go through what this family has been through.
The Senate bill, which allows for convicted drunk or drugged drivers to pay child support if they kill or severely disable a parent in a crash, was written by Melanie's cousin, Senator David Yates.
My heart just swelled 100 times over, thinking that he could do something like this in Melanie's name.
I believe that Melanie deserves to be honored.
Yates hoping this bill can not only bring attention to the issue of drunk or drugged driving, but hold more people accountable when they do, making convicted DUI drivers in these cases think about the children like Nolan, who are left without their parent.
They will be writing those checks, and hopefully every single time they do, every time they stroke their name, they'll think about that surviving child and what they have done to that family.
This was the number that it was.
This bill won't heal Nolan's mom, but her family is hopeful of the good it can accomplish for others.
Maybe it'll help somebody that really needs it.
Hoping Melanie's story will deter others from driving while drunk or high, preventing more tragedies. In Frankfort, Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.